Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Like I was saying before, when I made the cake and the cup, by the way, my son Michael just ate it. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey, hey.
This is Cindy's Kitchen again. This is my little kitchen over here, and that's Michael, like I said. And yeah, Michael, if you guys want to go and watch that video,
Link in the description down below.
Exactly. But anyways,
check it out.
As the summer is coming, the summer, you know, it's right around the corner. In a lot of states, it's already getting hot. Even on the north side of the country, it's already getting warm, and the temperatures are rising. So anyway, what I was gonna do was I wanted to show you guys a drink that I learned from someone that I loved a lot. She was always there. It's a good person. When I first met my husband, I remember coming to her house one time, and I was in the kitchen with her. I'm like, hey, what are you doing? She's like, oh, this is something that I do that, you know, for the summertime because it gets very hot and it's very refreshing. And if you pay attention, they serve it in certain restaurants. I've seen it, and my daughter actually called my attention with it, and she said, hey mom, taste this iced tea is bubbly, it tastes like champagne. And then it got me thinking, wow, champagne, you know, champagne is something that I'm gonna say who it was. My mother-in-law taught me how to make, and I haven't made it for a long time, but it's very refreshing. It's very easy to make.
That's right.
What I wanted to say, okay, now I bought this is raspberry iced tea. Raspberry regular, okay, I mean raspberry, and this is also the peach.
All right.
So what I want to show you guys how to make it with different flavors, because this is how. And you also have I also have the other iced tea, the lemon, which is here, but we're not going to be making this one today.
Not today.
Okay, so what I did was I took 2 8-ounce glasses. I filled them up with 4 ounces of water each.
Wow,
okay?
4 ounces. Looks like a lot.
And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon.
All right. And fill her up, fill her up.
Raspberry.
I got to wash that cake down.
Right. Hold on, Michael.
Sure.
Should have gotten my other thing, but I don't want to do that because we're going to do the other flavor. So, okay, sorry, guys. So I'm just dusting off the raspberry. I'm going to put the lid on
raspberry.
that. So you can see it over there. And now we're going to get 1 tablespoon.
Tell me in the description down below
peach.
or in the comments, actually, do you like raspberry or peach, everybody?
Now,
what's your
next thing that we're going to do is...
What? What are we doing?
Because I'm showing my viewers how to make this refreshing. As you can see, this
Our
is
secret
the bottle
recipe
of my supermarket brand, lemon and lime. Lemon and lime.
Okay, see the lemon, see the lime?
Soda. If you can do ginger ale, you can do Sprite, but the Sprite usually goes for $1.59, $1.99. Sometimes when it's on sale, you can get it for...
How much is that one?
$1, but this was 69 cents. So
wow.
I'm trying to tell you guys that with very little money, you can make a whole bunch of drinks. You can make refreshing drinks for your family and friends and for yourself.
That's right.
So anyway, so we're going to come back here.
We will be doing more drink videos, non-alcoholic, of course.
So now we're going to take half a cup. So we got 4 ounces of water.
All right.
1 tablespoon of raspberry mix and 1 tablespoon of peach iced tea.
All right, let's look in there. Let's look in there.
And then we're going to put...
Not much of a difference.
Half a cup. That looks like half a cup to you?
It looks like water.
Or it looks more than half a cup?
That looks like half a cup.
No.
Is it half a cup?
Let me see. Yeah.
Yep,
that's half a cup. So we're going to put half a cup right here.
So what just happened there?
Well, that's lemon lime soda. So it's bicarbonated. And what it's going to do is it's going to separate the iced tea and the fruit. It will float it up, but we don't want to wait till that happens.
All right. So
this is all you got to do. And then it's so delicious because it tastes like this bubbly taste. So what it does is
bubbly.
So I'm going to put a straw in each. I'm going to put a yellow one on that one, and let's do a green one. What do you think,
Oh,
Michael?
yeah.
And then you're going to stir. I'm going to stir them both at the same time.
Stir them both, stir them both.
And stir, chill, and drink. If you have like a big like juice thing, like one of those plastic containers that you can hold on like 3 gallons for the summertime, you know what I'm talking about, where you make your lemonade and all that?
Oh, yeah, like a pitcher.
You can pour 2 cups of your iced tea, you know, and then you mix it. You want to mix it right before you drink it because it's remember that it's soda, it's bicarbonated. Okay, so it disintegrates, and after the more you open it, the more it's gonna lose its essence. And look how beautiful that is. Yes
Almost
or no?
looks like orange soda.
Yeah, but it's mixed.
And raspberry
and
soda.
now this is just some crushed ice, guys, that I got out
what
of
does
my
that do?
freezer, just to, make it chill, make it pretty. Let's make this pretty. What do you think? You don't want to
Look
make
at
it
that,
pretty,
everybody.
Michael?
Oh yeah.
Not pretty, huh? And here is a raspberry bubbly iced tea, raspberry. So what are we gonna call it, Michael? Like champagne, raspberry
No,
iced
our
tea?
raspberry and peach.
Yeah.
Or sparkling raspberry and peach iced tea.
Yeah, sparkling raspberry iced tea and sparkling peach iced tea. And I'm gonna taste, guys. You can show people I'm gonna be tasting this. I love me a juice. Let me tell you, but back up. Michael.
Oh, back it up, back
it.
it up.
Oh.
Can you record
you know
me
what
now?
it tastes? It tastes like that iced tea that they serve at what's that place? The salad
Olive Garden.
place. Olive Garden.
Hey, that's mine. Are you choosing?
Here, have some of that.
Ooh.
So anyway, guys.
Here, record me.
Thanks for subscribing.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching us. Michael, tell them what the drill is. I'm going to throw Michael in there. Tell them what to do, Michael.
Don't forget to subscribe. Hit us up on Facebook,
Yeah.
Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest,
Yep.
Tumblr.
Yep.
Like us on Google Plus. And if you want to donate to our Patreon, $1, guys, just $1 you can. But if you don't, that's okay because we're still gonna make content. You know, YouTube has been changing their rules recently.
Yeah, and we love you. So don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching Cindy's Kitchen.
We love you
Good night
all.
and have a beautiful day.
Good night and good fight. Good night.